Hello folks, I'm Dennis Stottlemyer, the Deputy Environmental Advocate for the West Virginia Department of Environmental Protection. Today we're going to talk a little bit about paddling and kayaking. One of the first things to know about kayaking is your paddle. This is a canoe paddle. One holds it just like this. In a kayak, you're going to use a kayak paddle. The kayak paddle has a shaft, two blades. Usually they're curved so that you can get more power behind your stroke in the water. Properly hold a kayak paddle, your hands will be just about shoulder width apart, like mine. You don't want to be way out here, and you don't want to be way in here. So again, shoulder width apart, thumb and first finger are pretty tight on the shaft of the paddle. The other fingers are just kind of loose so that the paddle can rotate a little bit as you're using it. Once we get on the water, I'll teach you some paddle strokes. A very important piece of equipment to have when you're paddling is a personal flotation device. These come in various sizes. You want to make sure you have a size that fits properly. This particular PFD, or personal flotation device, has a zipper in the front. Others may have buckles and straps. This one is very loose. What happens is, if you've got a loose life jacket on, while it may be more comfortable to wear, if you're being rescued from the water, usually people pull you out by the straps. And this could be pulled right off of your head. And then you would not be rescued. So, we tighten the straps up, not to the point of being uncomfortable, but so that it's snug and won't come off your body. Safety is paramount when you're on the water. You should always paddle with a partner. You should always have a plan for how you're going to get in the water, where you're going, how to stay together and not be separated. You should probably know how to swim if you're going kayaking as well. Next, we're going to determine if the kayak is fitted properly for us. This is a 14-foot flat water kayak. It's a very comfortable and stable boat for flat water or mild flowing water. We use the paddle to help us get in the boat by placing it behind the seat. By placing the paddle here with one blade on the ground, it provides a stable base to help you get in the boat. You hold onto the paddle with this hand. Put your foot in first, and your other hand on this side of the boat so that you've got weight distributed evenly across the boat. Then simply sit. Bring the paddle around, and then check for adjustment. These boats have foot pegs in them that you want to be able to get your feet on comfortably and brace your knee on the inside of the boat. There's usually a pad. By bracing your knees and your feet on the pedals, you create a very stable situation from your hips down. You should be able to rock the boat without your knees moving or your feet coming off of the pegs. This will help you in the water. There are also adjustments that can be made to the seat back to adjust it up or back for comfort. Correct paddling posture is an upright, straight back position so that you get maximum reach with your paddle in the water. You don't want to be laid back. or pushed too far forward by the seat back. All right, let's get in the water. Using our paddle as a brace, because boats are tippy, one blade on the ground, one blade on the back of the boat, 1 foot in the middle, opposite hand on the other side of the boat. And we're in.
Now we're going to go over the paddle strokes that you'll need to have an enjoyable paddle trip. First and most obvious one is the forward stroke. You extend the paddle out and draw the water to about your shoulder, and the paddle comes out of the water. Repeat on both sides.
Another paddle stroke that you'll need is the backstroke. Stick the blade in towards the back of your boat and draw it alongside your boat towards the front. You can do this paddle stroke on both sides to go straight back, or just on one side to turn slightly. To turn your boat, you can use the sweep stroke, where you'll just paddle on one side in forward motion to turn your boat.
Another useful paddle stroke is the rudder stroke, where you stick your paddle in right behind your boat and back paddle to help move your boat. The draw stroke will help you crab or move your boat sideways, such as this. You reach out beside your boat and pull your paddle towards the boat. And you can move sideways just a little bit, but that will help you if you're launching or getting off the water. Again, with all these paddle strokes, remember proper posture. Have your feet locked in, your knees braced, so that you can move the boat with your hips and keep your torso upright for more efficient paddling.